there's a lot of people here, babe.
Oh my gosh, there is a lot of people here.
There's a lot of people here.
I thought two, 3 people.
No way.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
That's kind of
That's so crazy that people would take their time to come here.
Whoa.
Like exhaust is tough, everything is tough. You know I can.
This is so sick.
This is super sick.
Bro, sa likuran ng Benz. Okay, tabi ka, ikaw bahala.
Car? You see it?
This is super sick.
It's super sick.
Front fiberglass.
10.5 to negative 40.
That looks wow.
Spirit ring.
Spirit gray.
Oh, so it's all
the whole thing.
fender. Nice. Dang. I gotta see then, cause
Yeah. And that's a flare?
No, flare. Flare.
Flare, yeah. Flare.
it looks nice,
sick.
huh?
This one's sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super cool.
It's so cool. I wish my 350Z was this cool.
Yeah.
So the spring rate on this must be crazy, huh?
Well, on the rear, it's not. It has the 32K, if I remember correctly. It has 32K and it's short as fuck.
Yeah.
It's bouncy.
That's crazy.
You get to
I remember you followed me on the new one and I said,
Yeah.
I followed it back. Check this out.
Oh wow.
Oh, they cut the valve cover so it doesn't hit the roof, the hood. It's really nice. This is the car that I originally found Mark on Instagram. So this is Mark's old car, which he sold, and now he owns this R34 that he put together. This is so sick.
I love this car so much. Bye-bye. Oh, I love that so much. That's so cool. I wish my coupe was that cool.
This thing has aluminum fenders.
Man.
It's back too.
So they built this car too, then I'm assuming, right?
No. This one was built by a college.
Really?
They actually showed this in Auto Salon 2 years ago, I think. 3 years ago.
What the heck?
It used to be white.
Wow.
Stock turbo? What size turbo is this?
GTRS.
And then you're running what ECU? Like Mark was saying, they normally just like chip the stock ECU. Yeah. That's how mine is too. On my SSR. Well, mine is slow compared to this. Mine's slow. So these parking areas have these cool little vending machines, like they have them everywhere. Hot coffee, cold drinks, hot drinks. Some even have food like this. And then some of the parking areas have actually like full-blown stores and stuff. Like this, cafes and stuff, but I mean, they're obviously closed. It's like kind of late at night, but yeah, these parking areas are cool, man. We're over here at the car meet and it's super sick. There's a lot of cool cars here and I'm just so stoked to be here. I'm tired, so I might have to get me a little coffee from the machines, but it's a really dope experience overall and I'm excited to be here.
It's so cool.
The bathrooms are so clean. I just like sleep in the bathroom. The bathrooms are so clean. It's like
Meme. Bailey said S15 is my favorite.
no, I didn't say that. He fucking did that.
This is so cool. This is the girls' S15. And then there's a Supra and a S2000. The fitment on this S2000 is so nice.
Yeah, so the thing that's freaking crazy about this one is that if you look at the license plate, look down, you see that? You see right? It says 2000. That's 2000 in English.
In English.
The Bailey rolls. Wait. No. I can't do it. I was gonna do it. I was gonna do it. What's up with Matthew keep making these jokes? Film now. Hurry up. Come on. Oh, frick. Frick. I gotta walk over here. I'm not doing that.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, boy.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you guys for coming out. Shit. Hey, see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. All right. See you. See you. All right. See you, Mark. See you tomorrow. All the sick cars leaving the meet. Look at that.
Yeah, look, it's freaking still up. Look, they don't know where to go. No, wrong way. He's gonna come back over there. He's gonna go over there. Navigator. Oh man, that was so funny. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a night. We're just gonna stop by Lawson's or Family Mart, get something to eat, and then we're gonna knock out because we are leaving Isesaki, Gunma area, and we're heading to Tokyo, Yokohama area for the last part of our trip. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's truly a blessing to be able to do this and share this with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching and supporting what we do here on the channel. Shout out to everybody who came out to the meet. We really enjoyed meeting everybody and seeing all the cars. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay good.
Just got upstairs.
No. Yeah. Just get up. Just get up. Get up like super gay. Like scoot back. No. Yeah. No. Yeah, that's what I said. No one's here filming. Yeah.